What we're doing here is going to be a game changer. We're going to bring people into the city, and what we're offering is going to be known throughout the world. I believe that we'll be the #1 destination in Christchurch within a couple of weeks from opening.
Oh, I think it's going to be bloody amazing for the city, actually. It's going to be really exciting. It's what the city needs, so yeah, excited.
We'll be one of the best places in New Zealand.
That's a reason for people to come here, because they'll get stuff that they just can't get in the supermarket or anywhere else I can think of in New Zealand. This will just be something special.
Fabulous. It's going to be wonderful. Great asset for the city.
Oh, wow, I like it. I can't wait.
I'm really excited about the prospects of what this is going to bring for Christchurch.
It's just going to be an absolute magnet.
Every city should have something like this.
It's pretty exciting, yeah.
You know, we've been through a lot, and so this is something beautiful that's going to come out of it. And even meeting some of the other tenants here this evening, you know, getting a feel for the whanaungatanga, like this is going to be something that I think is going to be really beautiful.
Pretty awesome, I think, eh?
It's great. It's going to be great. Yeah. Great opportunity for this city.
Looking great, and it's just the beginning.
Everyone in the city will want to come, and probably everyone in New Zealand will come to Christchurch to enjoy your beautiful food and the vibrant foods and atmosphere that we're going to create here.